Okay, it is May 10th. Got to have the car ready in 1 week. That clock is about an hour off. 7:46, quarter to 8. And if I was to go outside, got the seats. If I was to go outside, and I'm willing to go outside, you can still see there's a lot of glow at quarter to 8. We're about almost a month away from solstice. It's hard to believe. So I had a good day today. Thank God I had a good day today. The hair dryer. This is my evaporator. I'm sorry, my condenser setup. The fan is underneath, and this is the best I could do with the lines. Best I could do. So everything is hooked up. I still have to do that relay for the compressor and the fan. The fan draws a lot of amps. So I need some serious electricity up here. So, you know, considering I just cobbled it together, I think it turned out okay. I'm not really a fabricator, but it turned out okay. I'm okay with it. I got a lot of big tubes in here. I'm okay with that. Still need to work on the dash. It's going to be next. But I have the vacuum pump going, and I got it hooked up. And right now, I'm pulled vacuum, and it's holding. So far, it's holding, which is really good. I mean, really good. I needed it bad. So it's holding vacuum, which is an encouraging sign. It means there's no gaping holes anywhere. That's really a good sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull vacuum for about another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to shut everything off and see what I get in the morning. See what happens in the morning. See where I'm at. I got to get up early tomorrow morning and do a roof. So, cleaned up the bench. I'm starting to put stuff away. I'm putting stuff away. I don't think I need that big sheet of aluminum, but it sure is nice to have it. So yeah, I think it's looking good right now. I'm a happy guy. I needed a good day. I got a good day, and man, did I need one. So right now I got a week, and a week is a lot of time to be doing stuff. So I think I can still make it. This is Mark.